Now, of course, you could sell it to another investor, which I love to do because investors tend to be a little bit more steady than, private buyers. Shared residential living, not in the sense that you might be thinking. I have a house right now that we're setting up where we're just going to rent out the rooms. So it's going to be four separate adults who don't know each other sharing a home, and they just have a shared living space. Plastic surgery houses are becoming huge here in Houston and other large metropolitan cities, especially everyone trying to get all the chubbiness from COVID away. So we're all nipping and tucking. Okay, I know you've never heard that before, so I feel like right then and there you already got what you paid for out of this course. But yes, the plastic surgery houses are a thing. You just set your house up, have beds set up. After they have surgery, you'll just transport them to the house. They can have family members come help, or maybe you might have a nurse or an STNA coming to help them, but you're welcome for that one. You can also have a senior house. That was really popular a few years ago. I must warn you that the senior houses do require some licensing. You will need to have some medical professionals involved. So just beware if you do decide to go that route, but it is profitable. Of course you can live in it, right? Once you buy the house, subject to, you can do whatever you want to it. So you might say, I love this house, I want to live in it. And then after a couple of years, you might say, now I want to Airbnb it. Then you might say, I want to sell it. It's your house. You do whatever you'd like to do with it. You can gift it to someone. That's a story that I love to share a lot, how I gifted a home to my cousin. You can do the BRRRR strategy, which I know a lot of you guys love, especially you people who are in love with debt. You can BRR it. You can refinance it whenever you want to. It's your house. House hack it with roommates. You can live in one room and you can have roommates in the other rooms. They're paying down the mortgage for you. It's a great way for you to build equity very quickly in that home. And also you can do a college dorm contract. So this is something I did right before the pandemic. There is a local university here near Houston, and they were running out of dorms for the students. They had some students even like sleeping in the gym. So they were reaching out to private investors like myself to provide housing. I was happy to do it, and I love the way colleges pay. Number one, you get paid for the entire semester up front. Number two, the kids are never there. And number three, people have this idea that kids are going to tear it up. It's really not true. But by the time people are living off campus or, they've been in college that long, they typically have some sense at that point. So those were my top 18. And join me in the next video. We'll break down just a few of those strategies, specifically the strategies that I feel will be most profitable for the people who signed up for my course. I'll see you guys soon.